I-upload natin sa YouTube.
Uy! Uy! Gusto talaga hihigit mo. Pare, hihigit ko ng bago. Pare! Parang kasi ako hihigit na naman. Oo eh.
Siya mo pangalan.
Okay na, makita na oh. Executive Barbershop.
Kaya pag pinasulat ka sa...
Ayan, barberong yan. Sumawin ko eh.
Ayan, pakita, naglalaro niya.
Nalaro yan.
Expert barbers, ilalagay ko.
Maganda pa rin mga bata.
Yung ginugupit na lang nang i-re-record natin eh.
Oo, parang yung mukha namin.
Oo, wag yung mukha nyo. Yung ginugupitan.
Tiniguli ko eh.
Para maalaman kung sino yung tiguli. Makakita. Tiguli yung pusit.
Oo. Ay, wala.
Para madali tandaan yung tiguli yung pusit.
Whirlpool Energy Star appliances point comes to durability and reliability. No brand has a better history than Whirlpool, the trusted appliance brand in the world. Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool and Compañero Brandy. Usapang compañero.
Ay, di pa tapos eh. Dahil pala, papatapos na. No.
Baby diapers with totally control system.
Ano yung kung magmaraming component? Yung nakatambak din, no? Ah, magkaya doon. Dahil pala kapatuloy yun.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
ACS. Have a fun family weekend this 2014 at Vista
Kuha natin yung mga style ng buhok.
Lifestyle Center at Dunhattie Las Piñas, Paseo de Andalusia at San Fernando, Pampanga. Lakefront Boardwalk and Wharf at Ciudad Muntinlupa City. Vista Lifestyle Center at 515 Shaw. Village Center at Antipolo and Vista Town Center at Cagayan de Oro. Welcome to Chinese New Year on
Oh, pakita
January
yung mukha ko. Kasi,
Yung ginugupitan lang, hindi yung mukha nyo.
eh, tiniguli ko eh.
Para makita yung style ng gupit. Para pumunta sila rito.
Friday, join the chill out session at Evia Acoustic Nights every Saturday at Lakefront Boardwalk and Village Center, Antipolo.
Yung cashier, kukunin natin.
All weekends at Evia Lifestyle Center, Lakefront Boardwalk and Village Center, Antipolo. Vista Mall.
Kung tagpan, kunya cashier ka sa barbershop eh. Lalagyan natin eh.
I'm Coach Sam Brown. I'm a professional triathlete. That's why I train hard each day. But training too much may lead to sports fatigue. But because I'm serious about sports, I take the multivitamin for serious stamina.
Hindi ka
Enervon
dapat
Active.
kang
Enervon
ba?
Active brings you
Huh?
this season the Will to Win promo. Every 60 capsules you buy from Mercury Drug entitles you
Dito sa labas ng barbershop, yung ano, yung pangalan.
Beat sports fatigue and reward yourself for it.
Okay na, tapos na.
Real standing 16